Hey y'all, welcome back to our sound bowl breathing session. For the past few weeks, we've been focusing on positive self-talk by implementing I am affirmations as we inhale and exhale. What I want you to do this week is I want you to choose your very own word that resonates with you. You can cycle through multiple words or stick with the same one. So we're gonna start by finding a nice comfortable breathing position, seated or laying down. I want you to breathe in and out through your nose, maybe in through your nose, out through your mouth, whatever's comfortable for you. With every inhale, I want you to expand not only through your belly, but your low back, your ribs, the sides of your body, your chest, your upper back. As much as you can, I want you to fill all the way up with each inhale. And with each exhale, I want you to let that air out as slowly as you possibly can. If that feels good to you, you can add a little breath hold, 2 to 4 seconds at the end of each inhale or exhale, okay? We'll be here for about 2 minutes. I want you to take one more full inhale and one last slow exhale. Then just check in with how you're feeling. Take a moment to reset your breath and enjoy.